Hi guys, welcome back on Tech Aid. We are providing you practical solutions to your problems, whether it's a simple hack or a step-by-step guide. We have got you covered. In this video, I will gonna show you that how to remove watermarks on Canva mobile. First of all, you can open the Canva mobile application. I can already open the app. I can tell you, you cannot remove the Canva watermark. If you remove the Canva watermark, you will purchase the Canva premium. If you don't have a premium, you cannot remove a watermark, and if you have the own watermark, you can just simply select the design and click on the watermark. After clicking on the watermark, you can just simply now tap on delete it, and this is the way you can remove watermark on Canva mobile. If you want to keep your online activity private and access to restricted contents like I do, trying using a VPN. It's secure, easy to use, and makes the browsing safer. The link to buy is in the description below. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical solutions. Got questions or need extra help, drop a comment below and we will be happy to assist. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.